Hello friends, hope you all are doing well, right? Yes. Okay, I like my friends a lot. You also like your friends? And during this lockdown you are missing your friends? Yes. So let's sing a song for our friends. I like my friends, I love my friends, play with them, I read with them. We go to school and share our toys. It's so much fun with friends. One more time. I like my friends, I love my friends, I play with them, I read with them. We go to school and share our toys. It's so much fun with friends, right? So, with this note, I'm going to tell you a nice story about three best friends. Yes, the name of the story is Three Butterflies. Butterflies. Okay, children, try to make this butterfly. Put your hands like this. Look into your face. Like this. And then twist the thumb finger. And then this will become a butterfly. So, like this, three butterflies were dancing around the flowers and roaming around the garden. One was red, one was yellow, and the last one was blue. Suddenly, it started raining and they were getting cold. So they went to a big red flower. They said, red flower, can we hide ourselves under your petals? The red flower said, the red butterfly, please come inside. The others, go away. Then they all three came together and said, we three are good friends. We never leave each other. Then it was raining harder and they were getting cold. So they went to a big yellow flower. They said, yellow flower, can we hide ourselves under your petals? The yellow flower said, yellow butterfly, please come inside. Others, go away. Again the butterflies came together and said, we three are good friends. We never leave each other. Then they went to the big blue flower. They said, blue flower, can we hide ourselves under your petals? The blue flower said, the blue butterfly, please come inside. The others, go away. They again came together and said, we three are good friends. We never leave each other. Seeing their friendship, the cloud smiled at them and stopped raining. So the butterflies again started dancing in the garden around the flowers. So the moral of the story is, you should never leave your friends, whatever the situation may be. Okay, children? So always try to share your things with your friends, your brothers and sisters. They are also your friends, no? And also your parents. They are also your friends. So try to share the things, help them out, and always be happy. Okay? So one more time. I like my friends, I love my friends, I play with them, I read with them. We go to school and share our toys. It's so much fun with friends. Bye-bye. So to say bye, what we have to say? See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Bye-bye, butterfly. Bye-bye, butterfly. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Bye-bye, butterfly. Bye-bye, butterfly. See you. Bye-bye.